Hi everyone. In our last class, I gave you an activity. What was that activity? What were thoughts of Cinderella when stepmother and stepsisters blocked her to go to the ball? She wished to go to that ball, but they didn't allow her to go with them. Am I correct? Yes. Then, what happened there? She cried a lot and she thought about her dead mother. She thought that if my mother was alive, she might have sent me to the ball. Isn't it? Yes. And she cried and cried. At that time, she heard a voice from behind. Who was that? Yes, it's a fairy. Fairy came there and told Cinderella, you can go to the ball. What is fairy? What are the fairies? Do you know? Have you seen the fairies? I think all of us, you might have seen in the stories. What are the fairies? Fairies are the beautiful, imaginary, human-like creatures. They would be very beautiful, and we could see only they are not at all a real human being. We can also call them angels. They are imaginary. We could see them only in the folklore. What do you mean by folklore? Yeah, in the stories. Especially they are in female one. Then these fairies are represented as the god or goddesses. As they are female, we can call them goddesses. Then whenever you become very happy or whenever you become very sad, to whom will you tell all the sorrows? To whom will you tell? Yes, we tell all the sorrows to our God, and that God will help you and fulfill your wishes. Am I correct? Yes, just like that. Then these fairies are represented as the goddesses. Then the characters of the stories always tell all the sorrows to that goddesses, these fairies, and she will fulfill all the dreams. In this stories, in Cinderella's stories also, Cinderella, now in this stage, Cinderella became very sad. At that time, fairy appeared there. And she consoled her. And what did she tell to Cinderella? Cinderella, don't worry, I will send you to the ball. Then Cinderella became very happy. Now she was very eager to know what was going next. At that time, fairy told her to bring a pumpkin. You know what is pumpkin? Mattan. Okay. She asked her to bring a pumpkin from the garden. Now she was very interested to fetch it. So she went there, but she was thinking about that pumpkin. How can a pumpkin help me to go to the ball? Okay, fairy told. Okay, she brought a pumpkin. Now, in fairies, there are the magic wand will be there in fairies. Now these fairies have some magical power also. Okay, with that magic wand, fairy touched that pumpkin. That pumpkin changed into red coach. Now she wondered. Then, but one problem. What was that problem? Now, only red coach is there. How can a red coach move alone? Can it move alone? No. Now, what we need? We need horses to drag that coach. Then, after that, fairy told her to bring mouse trap. Do you know what is mouse trap? Can you see a mouse trap? Is there any mouse trap in your home? After the summer season, there were lot of mice will be there in your home. They will enter to your home, to the kitchen, and they disturb us. At that time, then I think you may see that your mother used this mouse trap to catch the mice. Okay. No, so now she wanted to bring that mouse trap. Now she brought it. But inside that mouse trap there are 6 mice are there already trapped. Now the fairy touched that mice with that magic wand. All the mice turned into white horses. Okay. Now the wagon is ready. Red coach is ready. The horses are also ready to drag them. But to control that wagon or the coach, we need footmen. From where do we get the footman? Now she again asked her to go to the garden and ask her to bring that lizard. Now she again went there and brought the lizard, 6 lizards. Now the fairy touched the lizards and all the lizards changed into footman. Now everything is ready. Now Cinderella was very happy. She's getting ready to go, but she looked very sad. She looked her own dress. It looks very ugly. Now there is a word mentioned in that story for the cloth or the dress. What was that new word for the dress? Can you tell me what is that word? Okay, you may find it out. I will not tell you. Now fairy asked, why are you so sad, Cinderella? Now she told, ma'am, my dress is not clean. How can I go with the dress? Now, don't worry. I will give you a very beautiful dress. Now she again touched with that magic wand. She touched her dress with that magic wand. Now, wonderful. Her dress, ugly dress, changed into silk cloth with diamonds on her hair and glass shoes, pretty glass shoes on her feet. Now, silk dress, very beautiful silk dress. Now she was very happy. Now you can go now itself, the fairy told her. Now she was very delighted to go there and she got ready to go. Now before she was going to fairy reminded her one condition. What is that condition? Can you tell me? What is that condition? Yes. Cinderella, you should return before 12 o'clock at night. What? Can you tell me once again? Cinderella, you should return home before 12 o'clock, sharp 12 o'clock. Why she said so? Can you tell? Yes, the magic will end at sharp 12 p.m. Yes, she agreed. Thus, Cinderella started going. Okay, now listen, I am going to give you one activity here. What happened next? You may imagine what happened next. Then you may write the next part of the story in a small paragraph in your own imagination. Okay? Then before closing, before concluding my class, I want to tell you one thing. There are some textual questions. Some questions are in the textbook. Side question. you should write down the answers of that question in your textbook. Okay, thank you. All of you take page number 43. The magic begins. In that page, look at the second paragraph. I will read first. You may read after me. Okay. Suddenly, she heard a voice. You will certainly go to the ball. I am your fairy godmother. Cinderella turned round. She saw a fairy standing in front of her. I am the queen of fairies, she said. I will send you to the ball. Well, said her godmother, be a good girl, and I'll contrive that you shall go. She went with Cinderella into her chamber and told her, run into the garden and bring me a pumpkin. Cinderella went immediately to gather the finest pumpkin she could get and brought it to her godmother. She could not imagine how this pumpkin could help her to go to the ball. The fairy waved the magic wand over the pumpkin. Suddenly, the pumpkin changed into a red coach. Then the fairy said, you will travel in this coach to the palace, but we must have horses to draw it. There is a mouse trap in the backyard of your house. Bring it to me. Cinderella went out and brought the mouse trap. There were 6 mice in it. The fairy waved the magic wand over it, and all the mice were turned into 6 white horses. Looking at the coach and the horses, the fairy said, now we have a coach to travel in and 6 horses to draw it, but we haven't any footmen. Go again to the garden and you will find 6 lizards behind the watering pot. Bring them. When Cinderella brought the lizards, the fairy changed them into footmen. The footmen bowed at her. They wore blue and yellow clothes. Cinderella was very happy to see them, but she became sad when she looked at her clothes. But I cannot go in these rags, she said. I will you wonderful clothes, the fairy said. The fairy touched Cinderella with her magic wand. Her rags changed into beautiful clothes of silk and gold. There were diamonds in her hair, and she wore 2 pretty glass shoes. Then the fairy said, you can go to the ball now, but remember, the magic ends at 12 o'clock. You must return home before that time. All of you pause the video and read the same part once again. Okay, look at this part. There are some new words are there. All of you take your pen and underline the word contrive, and one more word is the gather. Okay, you may write these 2 meanings, words in your notebook and write down the meaning of that words and find out that meaning from the glossary or from the dictionary, or you may search in the Google. Okay, all of you take the next page. In that page also some new words are there. All of you take your pen once again and underline the word board, another word rags, and one more word that is pretty. Pretty. You may find out the meaning from the glossary or the dictionary or from the Google. Okay, in the side question you can see a 7th question, the textual question. What changes occurred to the following things? Pumpkin, mice, lizard, rat. What happened? Which change occurred in pumpkin? I'll give you the first answer. Pumpkin changed into red coach. And what are the changes occurred in the mice, lizard and rags? You may write in that space given there. Okay. Then the last question, one more question is that what will happen to the Cinderella if she cannot return home before 12 o'clock? Now, the fairy told a condition. What is that condition? You should return home before 12 o'clock. Then what will happen if Cinderella didn't come or didn't return home? What happened? What will happen? That is the question. Then the answer is the magic ends at 12 o'clock. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാം അവിടെ നിന്നു എല്ലാം മാജിക്ക് നിന്നു then everything will be as the former situation. ആദ്യമുള്ള ആ സിറ്റുവേഷനിലേക്ക് തന്നെ പോകും, പംകിനായി മാറും, എല്ലാം മാറും അല്ലേ. then you may write that answer in that space given here. You may write answer of this question here, and you may write answer of this question here. Okay.